Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to log in without password in your TikTok account. If you forgot your password, you can still log into your TikTok account. Let's see how to do this. Tap on the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on Login. Here you can see an option Login via phone number. Tap on this. Now enter the phone number of your TikTok account. Now tap on the right arrow key. If you forgot your password, then tap on the option Login with verification code. A verification code has been sent to the given phone number. Enter the 4-digit code here. Now tap on the right arrow key. That's it. You have been logged in into your TikTok account. So in this way you can log in without password in your TikTok account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.